In 2001, something extraordinary happened in the world of medicine. A woman in Strasbourg, France, needed gallbladder surgery. But the surgeon who would operate on her was not in the same hospital, not even in the same country. He was 6,000 kilometers away in New York City. Through a robotic system, he guided instruments across the ocean, performing the world's first long-distance telesurgery. The operation was a success, and history was made. This was the moment the world realized the future of surgery might not belong only to human hands. It might belong to robots. For centuries, surgery has been limited by human ability. Even the most skilled surgeon's hands can shake. Their eyes can only magnify so much. Their reach inside the human body is limited. But robotic surgery is designed to overcome all of that. At the heart of this revolution is a system called the Da Vinci surgical robot, one of the most advanced medical robots in the world. It looks like something from science fiction, a set of robotic arms holding surgical tools, all controlled by a surgeon sitting at a console a few feet away. Through the console, the surgeon sees a magnified 3D image of the patient's body. Every movement of the surgeon's fingers is translated into precise motions by the robotic arms, motions smaller, steadier, and more accurate than any human hand could ever achieve. Why is this so powerful? Because it allows doctors to perform minimally invasive surgery. Instead of cutting open a patient's chest or abdomen with large incisions, robotic systems can enter through tiny holes, weaving between organs with unmatched precision. The benefits are enormous. Smaller scars, less pain, faster recovery, fewer complications. For patients, this means going home in days instead of weeks. For doctors, it means reaching places inside the body that were once nearly impossible to access safely. But it wasn't always this advanced. The first robotic surgeries were clumsy and controversial. Many questioned whether robots were really needed in the operating room. Critics argued they were expensive toys, more for show than for saving lives. Yet, as with every breakthrough, persistence paid off. Today, robotic systems are used in over 1 million surgeries every year worldwide. From removing cancerous tumors to repairing delicate heart valves, robots are becoming trusted partners in the operating room. And the evolution isn't stopping. Engineers are now building robots so small they can crawl through blood vessels, repairing damage from the inside. Others are experimenting with AI-driven robots that might one day perform parts of a surgery independently, without human control. Still, the rise of robotic surgeons raises deep questions. If a robot makes a mistake, who is responsible? The surgeon, the hospital, or the machine itself? Can patients truly trust a robot with their life? And what happens when artificial intelligence becomes smarter, faster, and more precise than even the best human surgeon? Some say this future is inevitable. Just as pilots now rely on autopilot systems in airplanes, surgeons may one day rely on robotic systems that can operate more safely than humans ever could. Others warn that no matter how advanced machines become, the human touch, the intuition, the compassion, the ability to make split-second ethical decisions can never be replaced. But for patients like the woman in Strasbourg, who had her gallbladder removed by a surgeon an ocean away, the answer is already clear. Robotic surgery can mean the difference between life and death. Every scar-free recovery, every saved life, is proof that technology and medicine together can achieve what once seemed impossible. The rise of robotic surgeons isn't just about machines replacing hands. It's about giving doctors superhuman ability, the ability to see more, do more, and save more lives than ever before. And so the question is this: when the day comes that a robot can perform surgery better than any human, would you choose the machine or the man?